Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is project number 2 using the paper pumpkin kit for May called Sparkling Celebrations. Now I've already made this card because my phone stopped working halfway through the other video. So we already have an example. And I've gone ahead and looked at the instructions, and nowhere does it show us where to use this little, these beautiful sparkly sequins or sparkly dots here. So I've actually put them on the middle of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and make another card just so you can see. We are going to go through and we are going to stamp our greeting. So I Versamarked that just to protect the stamp a little bit. We're going to come in with our ink, our Misty Moonlight, and we're going to stamp this down like that. Okay, and this needs to be tear and taped up somewhere near the top of the card. So I'm just going to put a strip of tear and tape across the back of that now and adhere it down. The rest is all dimensionalized. So this is going to pop up here like this, time to celebrate. And we are going to, oh, I need 3 more of these little explosion guys. So yes, so we are going to go ahead and build this card. 2 dimensionals here, and then we need 1 here, 1 here, here, and here. Now these show a dimensional right in the middle, but I want to put my bling on them in the middle. So I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on, and I'm going to put them kind of on either edge so that there's still enough room, because these overlap this piece. So if we're not careful, we'll end up double dimensionalizing. So I'm just popping them on the edges, and we will make sure that when I put them down that there is enough space to overlap. Okay, so we're going to start with this top piece here. It's just going to overlap the greeting and sit right at the top of the card like that. Okay, and then we'll just pop this piece down and like this, and then we're going to put this down, and it's going to sit at this edge here, kind of a little ways up like that, so it's not covering up the celebrate. There we go. And now we're going to put our little starbursts on. This one's going to go up here like this. This one will go at the bottom like this. And then this one goes up at the top like this. We don't want to cover up the celebrate, so we're just going to do that like that. And now I'm going to put the bling on. Again, doesn't tell me in the instructions where to use the bling. Oh, and I've lost, there's no sticky on the back of that one. And there's no sticky on the back of that one either. Okay, so this second card in the setup is going to be a challenge. So I'm just going to pick this up with my finger, pop it down, and stick it back in its glue. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Just going to pick up the glue, put it down. Now it's on my finger. Okay, yeah, this one is certainly going to be a challenge. Go, and usually I only use a pair of scissors as an extra tool in these videos, because technically you can take these on the run, but I'm using my piercing tool. So that is our finished card, again with that bling, but I've dimensionalized it so that the bling will actually squish down flat. If you wanted to mail it, you'd still need to put a piece of old cardstock over the top, but you absolutely could put that through the post now. So stay tuned for project number 3.